So you join me at ID Morris. It's really early in the morning. They're not open yet, but I've come in on my way to work. So it's like 7 something in the morning, early doors. Right. So new windshield is in. They're expensive, but what are you going to do? So these are the reconditioned headlight units that I made, refurbished. Wow, look at that shine. I noticed there's the hood. All nice and polished, ready to go on. Dean's done an amazing job on that polishing. Hey, and the rear bumper is on. Obviously these tailpipes are going. When Dean at Pipecraft makes the new exhaust for me, we're going to not have tailpipes on show, they're going to be hidden. So there's final bits ready for painting. Just the hubcaps and the wing vents, and these are the grills for the wing vents that I had made. Had these laser cut. Let's get it out of the box. Oh, there we go. So just hold them up to the light. So you can see I've got the Big Man Motors kind of Easter egg. I'll show it in the light. There we go. So no one else will have those. They're unique to me. So that's the bonnet bulge, mirrors, headlight doors, obviously the fuel door, and this is what I've had made to go in the bonnet bulge. So standard sort of Firebird Formula One, it's just a black aluminium piece. So I've had this done out stainless. So it's been cut there, it's been fly cut on a laser machine. So I've got the Big Man Motors text in there. It's not quite in the right position, so I've already bonded the middles of the B's onto the back of the stainless. So this just needs panel bonding back together, and that can go in. But look at it. How incredible is that? This is going to look fantastic. Should be probably end of next week or maybe into the week after. So about another week to 10 days before it's ready to come home. Wonderful. This is just the landing panel for the hood latch, etc. For the hood to close into.